I got a package from Revel Nail and I am kind of obsessed with it. Recently, I've been trying to do all of the things that I would pay for at home. So, like nails, hair, anything beauty related, I'm trying to spend less money on. So, Revel Nail sent me this package and it's a dip nail kit. So, you guys can see. Oh my gosh. I used it once, but I put it back in because it was just such nice packaging. But it comes with a pro base, an activator, and a finishing gel, as well as like a thinner. And then it comes with 4 different dip colors. And you guys, I'm like obsessed with this. I hate to say. I just went and helped my mom move, and I had done this nail kit beforehand, and my nails are still fully intact. These are my natural nails. And I used this sparkly color, which I really, really love. It's called Margot. But I'm obsessed with it, and it held up so well. But it has other colors. It's got this nice pinky color, a light, like peachy white, and then just straight white and the glitter. But super easy. It's not messy like gel. I did it one time, and obviously there's going to be like a learning curve with it. But I think my nails look pretty damn good for having only done this once. So yeah, check it out. I'm excited by it, so hopefully you guys are too.